Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Donnie and this is my first time using StreamYard, so bear with me. I already made this video once and then realized I didn't push the record button. So I'm so sorry it's taken me so long to announce the winners for my giveaway. We've been sick here, still not over being sick, but I gotta get stuff done. And yeah, let's get right to it. I am going to draw the 4 winners. I used a I've already done the drawing. I did the drawing and made a little recording of it. I used one of those random name pickers, but with ducks. It's kind of cute. So I just thought I'd try that this time. And so there will be 4 winners, and the first winner, the first person that comes in first place will be get first choice, and so on and so forth. And you will just contact me in the same way that you contacted me to give me your screenshot. So let's get to the drawing and see who wins. All right, congratulations to Paula Holt, Kay Perez, Marla Morris, and Amber Vaughn. Like I said, please contact me in either by email or by messaging me on Facebook, whichever method it was that you sent me your screenshot, and I will get those sent out to you. So thank you very much for participating in my drawing. Everyone, take care, have fun diamond painting, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.